Tom Hiddleston may have just lost a major endorsement deal, and rumor has it, it's all because of his relationship with Taylor Swift. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. Keep up with the freshest pop culture news with T-Mobile. All eyes are on Tom and Taylor right now, but unfortunately, that might be the very reason that Tom won't be the new face of a very popular brand. Word on the street is that Tom Hiddleston was definitely in the running for a major upcoming campaign with Armani. But because of all the insane publicity surrounding his relationship with Tay Swift, that deal might be over before it's even started. Now, this campaign would have had Tom following in the footsteps of Taylor's ex, Calvin Harris, who, was the last major face of the brand. So we can only imagine that also has something to do with Armani's decision to cut Hiddleston from the shortlist of potential models. A fashion source close to the brand told The Mirror, quote, "Obviously, with Tom now being Taylor's other half and the Calvin pass deal, it would generate huge media coverage and headlines. But Armani see themselves as classier than that and think that a rising sports star may suit their current needs better." And according to the source, there's also one more reason we won't see Tom rocking the Armani labels anytime soon, and it's simply because of his age. The source revealed that he just might be a little too old for what the brand needs right now. Ouch, talk about Monday blues. But now I want to hear from all of you. Leave all your thoughts on Tom potentially getting the axe from Armani in the comments down below. And then you can click right over here to check out all the best moments from the Teen Choice Awards. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Clevver vids. I'm Shortlist Reese, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you guys soon. For more on the TCAs, click left for all the fashion from the blue carpet on Dirty Laundry, or click right to see who won big with a recap of all the winners. And another big thanks to T-Mobile with double the LTE coverage. Now you can stay in the know in more places.